Hi everyone, John Osipinski here. Today I'm going to talk about how eating healthy is good, but it's not enough. I see people who have a lot of health problems. They've been a vegan for a year or two. They've started eating very healthy, but they still have their health problems. So I believe it is good to eat greener or eating more fruits and vegetables. But when you have serious health problems, you need to know how to detox your lymphatic system. Because even though you're eating healthfully, your lymphatic system still may be stuck, unable to work and clean your body of cellular waste. So it works well when we eat healthy and learn to use diet to detox. And what I mean by that is we need to eat more specifically, because even people who are vegetarians or vegans eat bread, pasta, whole grains. And once we eat these, or soy, protein, once we eat these things, they stop our lymphatic system. They make us more acidic. So to me, eating healthfully really means just eating fruits and vegetables for a few days in a row, taking some supplements, and draining your lymphatic system. Many people are not familiar with draining your lymphatic system. It's very similar to dry brushing, but much more detailed. If you're having any kind of health problem, and again, I know people say, I'm eating healthfully, you need to learn how to clean up. It really makes a big difference a few days a week if you eat more consistently to balance your pH. Because when we balance our pH, when we make ourselves more neutral rather than acid or alkaline, our body gives up waste that may be making us sick. So if this makes sense to you, like my post, it really is important that we understand that food is healthy, but eating good food is healthy, right? But we need to get more into detoxification, because just eating a little bit of healthy food all the time helps, but we need to go deeper into the tissues, deeper into our cells, and we do that with lymphatic system detoxification. And it really isn't much different than eating a healthier diet. We just need to know the right steps. If you need more information on cleaning up your diet and getting your lymphatic system going, it's really a 1-2 punch. It really makes a big difference in your life. Contact me at osipinskihealthacademy.com or healthylymphsystem.com. That's healthylymphsystem.com if you'd like to change your health and life by understanding how to use diet and the lymphatic system. Have a great day.